Okay, target audio Qualcomm 464 QLED version. How to set your 360 bird view. Okay, before that you have to go to setting, reverse and aux, backcar type. You have to change to built-in 360. Built-in 360. Okay, back to home. Sample a front camera, rear camera, left and right. Okay, this camera is 1080p. Okay, let me show you. Full menu, 360 bird view, press it. Okay, we'll show this error is because the setting is 720. So you have to go back to the setting, reverse, backcar type is built-in 360, reverse camera system, you have to change to 1080p. Okay, back to home, full menu, 360 bird view. Okay, rear, left hand side, right hand side, front. Okay, so you have to do a calibrate setting. Go to press the setting, or you can press the top of the car. Okay, the first setting, you can set your vehicle setting. Car model, your car model is sedan car, SUV, MPV or something. Just press MPV car. Okay, choose your car color. Okay, white color, black color, I like white. Okay, and model your trace. Okay, so the reverse line you want to trace which one. Okay, got many different, you can select. Okay, the angle, reverse angle. Okay, after that, back. Okay, the second, for calibration, you have to click for the calibration. The password is 2468. Press confirm. Okay, for this calibration, if you want to try for the auto calibration, auto match, okay, you can press assemble the calibration, the crows, the big crows. Okay, normally for us, the setting, we got a two big crows. 我们有两个大的布的 the big one. Okay, the two square set on the front. Okay, another crows will set on the back. Okay, you can try choose for the auto switching. Okay, the front, left, right, rear view. Okay, vehicle parametric. Okay, for the size, you have to check for your car size. Okay, then modify here if the size is different. After that, start stitching. Okay, start stitching. You can store image or direct calibrate. Should be a direct calibrate. If you press for the direct calibrate, will auto run for the system. Okay, this is auto type. Okay, I back show you for the manual type. Same, you have to click for the calibration. A password 2468. Confirm. Okay, for the manual type, you have to come here, search for the manual type, manual stitching. Choose this one. Same, the view is same like just now, the auto. Front, rear, left, right. Okay, so the next vehicle parameter, set your size, set your car size. You have to press for the start stitching. Start stitching, direct calibrate. This is a manual type. So after stitching, the menu tab you will show for the 8 point. You see the 8 point. So now the red color is number 1. You have to move it to the square type. Okay, look at here. Okay, press OK, then change to number 2. Press OK, number 3. Okay, press number 4. Okay, then number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Okay, and number 8. Okay. So now for the front camera view. This is for the front camera view. Okay. Then you have to switch for the rear camera view. Do again for the 8-point setting. Okay, then next number 5 one. Okay, move, do again. 1 camera you have to set 8 point. 4 camera, that's mean total 32 point. You have to calibrate it. You have to set it one by one. Menu set will be better, will more better. Okay, now is the rear, the back camera. Okay, then I set for the left camera. Left camera is more difficult because on the left hand side, you see the left camera is more long. Okay, you have to set it. Okay, press OK. Number 2. Number 3. Your eye have to move. Look at here. Look at here. You have to go to the point there. Okay, number 4. Okay, then number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And number 8. This is the left camera, 8 point. You have to set it. So now is the right point, the right hand side point. Oh, just now my phone put here. Okay, so I set it. Number 1. Okay, number 2. Number 3. This is for the right hand side camera, number 3. And number 4 for the right hand side camera setting. Then number 5. Oh, luckily still can get number 5. Okay. Number 6. Okay, number 7. And number 8. Okay, so this is the right hand side camera, 8 point. So after you done setting for the 4 camera 8 point, okay, you have to press for the Callibrate. Press Callibrate. You have to wait few seconds. This is target audio 360 Birdview calibration setting. Done. So now is the rear camera view. Okay, have a look from here. Let me show you the going to the circle. Wait, I changed my hand. Okay, okay, this is a touchscreen setting, touchscreen view. So now is the rear view, left. Sorry. So still in setting. Okay, stitching. This is for the minor setting, save. Okay. Center point, save. Have a look view. Complete stitching. Okay, back. Left hand side view, a front view, a right hand side view, and a rear view, and a 3D version. Multi touchscreen. Setting, vehicle setting, can change system setting as well, and the driver position setting. A video delay, that means if when you reverse, the video come out for 360 delay. Okay, this is a steering link edge. This is when your left hand side signal or right hand side signal, when you turn signal, will auto show for the signal view. If you don't want this function, you have to off it. If you playing movie, you have to off it. If you're not playing movie, you can turn on. Okay, back. Okay, for DVR function, this 4 camera, the front, rear, and left and right, these 4 camera also can become driving video recorder dash cam. So the angle will follow parking angle. Setting, auto record. The file save to USB 1, USB 2 or USB 3. Okay, every video, single video, you can choose for the 1 minute, 3 minute or 5 minutes. If you want to format your memory card, you can format here. Okay, so this is, press this icon to back to the full menu. Okay, target audio, Android car player, Qualcomm 464, Qualcomm 2.2 GHz, Adreno 506 GPU 464. Screen resolution is 1280 x 720. 360 Birdview parking camera. Support 1080p 360. Video by Andy from OneBase. Thank you. Thank you.